go one. Come here, girl. Come here, girl. That's my first fish of the day. Just got out here. Oh, let me do this. Let me not hold. That's about 11-inch fish. Maybe 10 and a half, 11. I'm gonna keep her because I got people who asking me to bring them some fish. What is happening, YouTube? Here we go, here we go, here we go. You already know what it is. Yes, today is another one of these days that end in Y. So you know that makes it a great day to go fishing this Drysdale. I got a late start this morning. Them pillow straps were kind of tight on my head. It is, what time is it now? It's only 9, it's, good Lord, it's 10:15 and I'm just now starting to fish. Normally I'd be ready to wrap it up by now, but I just got out on water. I'm gonna see if I can catch me some of these evil but sure enough tasty crappie. Hey folks, before I get started on this episode, I'm gonna tell you all thanks for watching. I appreciate everybody who watches this channel, everybody who hits that like button, and everybody who leaves those comments. To my subscribers, you already know what it is, my long-term subscribers, thank you so much for your continued support of this channel. To my new subscribers, welcome to the Drysdale family. And if you, you just happen to be scrolling through YouTube and you came across this channel, or if somebody recommended this channel to you and you haven't already done so, go right ahead and hit that button there to subscribe to the channel along with that bell right there so that you get notified when I post new videos of me and whoever I might be fishing with catching more of these evil but sure enough tasty crappie. So let's see how we do on this episode of Crappie Fish with Drysdale. Let's go get them. What they are now. Oh, hybrid. White. It's a hybrid or white or something. Come on here. Oh, shoot. Got out of the way. Broke off my line. That's a 4-pound leader I got on here now. Had I not put my leaders on last night, I might have had that fish. A 4-pound braid. Gonna make it. Gonna make it. 11 inches. Being nosy. You come out being nosy, big boy. Big boy. Come out being nosy, big boy. Come on. Come out here now. Yes, sir. That's another fat fish. Another nice sized fish. Pretty color with her, too. Her, him, whatever it is. Check out that color on that fish. Nice, healthy looking fish. Post spawn, obviously. Last spawn for that one. Alright, if I was fishing BFL, I might be on to something here. But I ain't, so let this joker go. Hey, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I see color. Color. Ooh wee. We got a whole bunch of stuff going on here. Not a bad bass. BFL fishing tournament is here today. You done been beat up. You got mouth problems all over the place. Let's check him out. See that mess on his mouth? don't know what it is, but I'm gonna put him on the scale. That's probably 3-pound bass. Let me check him out, scale him just for smiles and giggles. 232. 232. Not a bad bass. But we're gonna let you go. Go on out of here, you ditch pickle. Whoop. Not that time. That's another baby. That was another baby. There's 2 babies off of this brush pile. All right, I have hit 3 brush piles in this cove, and all 3 brush piles have produced little dinks like that. I'm gonna catch one more fish out of here and then I'm out. That's a good fish. I might not have needed the netter, but with this braided now. With this fluorocarbon leader, I didn't want to chance it. That was a good fish. Hey baby, hey baby. That's a Big Shirley. She qualifies as a Big Shirley. Big Shirley, Big Shirley. On the outside. That was a good fish. She's gonna make the cut. I think so far we got about 6 or 7 fish. Now there's 26 feet. Come here, girl. She gonna make it too. She might be about 11 inches. Let's check and see. She gonna know the tail. Oh, she's 11.5 inches. I'm gonna swing them. I was scared, but I swung them. She made it work. Come here, come on. Come on, that's another decent fish. That was a good one. That's another good fish. Whew. Folks, with all this traffic in here, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up soon. I'm bouncing around and I don't have a lot of gas in my boat either, so put a couple more fish in the boat and I'm gonna call it. I see all them jet skiers and all them recreationals running around. So I'm normally off the water about this time. It's late, but I got on late, so I'm gonna stay a little bit later. Bull. There's another one comes so close to you and they pulling people. You too. I don't want no trouble. I don't want no trouble. Come on, you caught now. Come on. Keep still, let me grab you. Let me get that hook out of you. I'm already out of here. Well, the hook is out of you. Let me get you back in the water. Some water, let's say that. There she is. That's another good. That's another good fish. Another big Shirley. That's another decent fish. That's another decent fish. I've been using braided line since, what, November, December? I gotta get used to what this fluorocarbon feels like. She gonna make it too. She'll curl the bottom of the bucket. Man, she looks small though. Got him. Got another one. Real finicky bite. Not feeling the thump. Just feel the resistance on your line and set the hook. And I went to a smaller bait too. Earlier I was using 1/64. This one, earlier I was using a 1/16. This one is a 1/64. I don't have my skittle on it, but still a 1-inch bait. And again, that's a Crappie bait by CMI. That's another good fish. That's another good one. Come here, girl. Oh, can't call you no girl. Yeah, you know you girl. Yeah, you can't call you no girl. You a boy. I'm a boy, Damien. I'm a boy. Yeah, that's a boy. He still got on the black tuxedo. Out there messing around with them ladies. I blew him up though. Come on. She's a good one. She's a good one. I even went smaller. Put my skittle on. This was a 1/64. Let me show you that. That's my 1/64. When they real finicky, I go to a 1/64 ounce jig, a 1-inch jig. This one is what I call my skittle. You can see I switched up colors too. Went from that green to this almost, I think this is called monkey smoke. One shot, one kill on this spot. That was another nice fish. I net her too. Since I done lost couple of fish with this leader. If it's close, I'm netting them. Any doubt, I'm netting them. Any doubt, I'm gonna net them. She wasn't going to. She wasn't look that good either. But she's a big Shirley, another big Shirley. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up. That's what the live well looks like. I might be right close to my limit. I hope I ain't got 30, but I know I got 25 maybe. So we'll count them when we get to the dock. All right, YouTube, that is going to wrap up this episode of Crappie Fish with Drysdale. You see, I got a little bit of cleaning to do. More fish than I'm usually wanting to clean at one time. I normally don't like to bring home more than 15 fish and clean them, but I got people who ask me for some fish, so I told them I'd go ahead and take care of them. Thank you all so much for watching. We got some of these big Shirleys out of there. Here's another. That's another big Shirley. We got some good fish. The post-spawn bite is kind of starting to heat up. These fish I caught today were in timber and on brush piles. I did see some roamers, but I wasn't able to catch them. You saw that bass I caught. That bass was roaming. So as always, folks, thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate everybody who watches this channel, everybody who hits our like button, and everybody who leaves those comments. To my subscribers, keep still down there. To my subscribers, my long-term subscribers, thank you so much for your continued support of this channel. To my new subscribers, welcome to the Drysdale family. And if you just happen to be scrolling through YouTube, yeah, you, and you came across this channel, or somebody recommended this channel to you, and you haven't already done so, this thing keeps flashing me, go ahead and hit that button right there to subscribe to the channel, along with that bell right there, so that you get notified when I post new videos of me and whoever I might be fishing with, catching more of these evil but sure enough tasty crappie. So until the next time, folks, remember, the best days to go fishing are the ones that end in Y. Drysdale out. Now let me count them and put them in this bucket. I got 28.